So today we will start with nouns, and I hope all of you know what a noun is, class 7th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
Alokik, why don't you tell me what a noun is?
Ma'am, a name of a person, animal, place, or thing is called a noun.
Alright, so a noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. You know, you have been doing this, I don't know, since class 1 or 2. You have been doing it all along. So, you know what a noun is. Now, main kinds of noun. There are how many kinds of nouns?
Ma'am, four. Ma'am,
There are
four.
four kinds of noun.
Ma'am,
First one.
ma'am, proper noun.
Okay, proper noun. What is a proper noun?
Ma'am, it points towards the last
Okay,
specific
Aditi.
person.
Aditi.
Ma'am, a proper noun points towards a particular place, animal, person, or thing.
Alright, so what is a proper noun? It is a name of a particular, a specific person, place, or thing. For example,
Ma'am, Ravi.
Ravi,
Ma'am, Ravi. Ma'am, 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 Lakshmi. Ma'am,
Lucknow.
Siddharth.
Okay, Lucknow. Alright, second. What is the second type of noun?
Ma'am, common noun.
Okay, common noun. What is
Common
a
noun.
common noun? Yes,
Common,
Rishima.
common
Rishima.
noun. Common noun is the name of any person, place, animal, or thing.
Alright, so it is a name of any person, place, animal, or thing in general. Proper noun is specific, particular name. Common noun is name in general. For example,
Ma'am, teacher. Boy.
boy. Alright.
Ma'am, lawyer. Ma'am, animal.
Okay.
Ma'am, teacher.
Alright. So,
Ma'am, doctor.
yes, boy, animal. Now you know, generally we call them boys. Like we say, boys, keep quiet. But you know, that is general name. But you have your own particular specific names also. Like we have Shabd, we have Kushag, we have Alokik, and we have so many in the class. So that would be your particular names, proper noun. In general, that is common noun, that you all are boys. Okay, third one.
Ma'am, collective noun.
Okay, collective noun. Who will tell me what is a collective noun?
Ma'am, ma'am, it is the collection of people, animals, or things.
Okay, so it is a name of a collection. It is a name given to a collection of people, animals, or things. Alright, and they are taken as one. They are taken as a whole. When they are talked about, they are talked about as one whole. Okay, for example,
Ma'am, ma'am,
yes,
herd of a cow.
yes, alright.
Ma'am, bunch of grapes.
A bunch of grapes,
Ma'am,
a bunch of
colony.
trees,
Bunch of trees.
a sheaf of papers, a stack of
Ma'am,
chairs.
deck of cards.
Okay, fourth one.
Ma'am, abstract noun.
Yes, sure.
Ma'am,
What is
abstract
an
noun. Noun.
what is an abstract noun?
Ma'am, it is a noun which we can feel only, ma'am. We cannot see it. We cannot, ma'am, hear it, and we cannot, ma'am, taste it. Ma'am, we can only feel it.
Alright, so it is a name of an idea. Abstract noun is an idea or a feeling. And you know, obviously, you cannot see it, touch it, because it is an idea or a feeling. Alright, or a state. Like, adulthood. So, you know, it is a state of life. You know what it is, but you cannot touch it or see it. Then, anger. You know, it is a feeling. You know, you get to know when somebody is angry, but obviously, you cannot see anger. So, it is a name of a idea, alright, or a thing, or a state.
Honesty.
Yes, honesty. Good.
Ma'am, happiness.
Yes.
Ma'am, determination.
Okay,
Yes.
yes.
Ma'am,
Alright.
determination.
Yes, my dear. Alright. So, now after this we have few exercises. Let's try to do these exercises. Exercise A. You have to use the collective nouns given in the box to complete these sentences. Okay, first one. The Indian cricket team. Sorry, I only said
Ma'am,
the Indian cricket. I'm so sorry. So the first one would be team. You can write now. Second one. Antonio's dash of ships were said to be all lost at sea. Yes.
Ma'am, feet.
Fleet.
Ma'am, feet.
Okay, right. Fleet. Fleet.
Ma'am,
of-
feet.
Yes, fleet of ships. The boys were attacked by a dash of
One
bees.
swarm.
Yes,
Ma'am,
third
swarm.
swarm.
Swarm. A swarm of bees.
A
One swarm.
Yes, right. A swarm of bees. Fourth one, a large dash gathered in the street.
Crowd. Ma'am, crowd.
Okay,
Crowd.
a
Ma'am,
large
crowd.
crowd gathered in the street.
Crowd.
Correct. We greeted a teacher with a dash of roses.
Ma'am, bouquet.
Okay.
Ma'am, bouquet. Ma'am, bouquet. Ma'am, bouquet.
A bouquet of roses. The performers were part of a dash that had come from Russia.
Ma'am, troop. Ma'am, troop.
Troop.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Troop.
It will become okay in a while. Don't worry. Sometimes it happens. Just network issue. Okay. The performers were part of a troop. It is called as troop. So a troop of performers. A group of performers would be called a troop. Seventh, a large dash of sheep caused a traffic
Ma'am, fog.
jam.
Ma'am, fog.
Okay.
Ma'am, flock. Ma'am, flock.
Right, flock. A large flock of sheep. Correct. Number 8. There is a dash of ants
Ma'am,
under
colony.
the rotting tree.
Ma'am, colony.
Okay, colony. So here we are not talking about the colonies we live in. We are talking about colony of ants, means a group of ants. Okay. The police caught a dash of robbers last night.
Ma'am, gang.
Correct. Gang of robbers. And the last one here, a dash of musicians performed at the fete.
Ma'am, band. Ma'am, band.
Okay.
Ma'am, band.
Right, band. What is this fete we are talking about? FETE. You know there
Ma'am,
is
please.
fete. The last word in the 10th sentence. A band of musicians performed at the fete. FETE. There is one more fete. FATE. What is the difference between these two fates? FATE and FETE. Anyone here knows what is FETE fate and what is FATE fate? No? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
Alright. FETE fate. Now that is like a fair. You know, we used to have fate in school on Children's Day.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is FETE fate. FETE. And FATE fate is like destiny, what we call as destiny.
Ma'am, I know what is 7th one.
Okay, so you knew what was second one, but you did not know what was FETE. Okay, so FETE is like a fair, all right, and like the ones that we used to have in school on Children's Day, and FATE is fate or destiny. Okay, exercise B. Let's move on to exercise B. You have to make abstract nouns using proper suffixes. Now before that you have to tell me what is a prefix and what is a suffix.
Ma'am, the word prefix is a word that is added before a word to change its meaning.
Alright, so prefix is a word which is added before a word to form a new word. And what is a suffix?
Ma'am, a word that is added after the word.
Alright, so suffix is added at the end of a word to form a new word. So here you have to form abstract nouns by using proper suffixes. That means you have to add some words at the end of these words to make abstract nouns. Okay. First is able. So what would the abstract noun be?
Ma'am, ability.
Ability.
Okay, ability. A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. Ability. Second, difficult.
Difficulty.
Okay, difficulty. Just add ly
Difficulty.
to it. Ly to it. Difficulty. Third one, explore.
Ma'am, actually,
Ma'am, exploration.
Exploration. Yes, exploration.
Ma'am,
So what you have to
exploration.
do, you have to cut E, add A-T-I-O-N. E-X-P-L-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. You have to cut E, add A-T-I-O-N. Exploration. Fourth, warm.
Ma'am, warmth. Ma'am, warmth.
Okay,
Warmness.
warmth. Just add TH at the end. Warmth. Hero.
Ma'am, heroism.
Okay.
heroine.
Yes.
Ma'am, heroine.
Heroic,
I'm hero.
or heroism. So you can either add IC, heroic, or you can add ISM. IC or ISM, heroic or heroism. Next, false.
Falseness. Ma'am, falsely.
No.
Falseness.
False.
False.
Falsehood. Falsehood.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Falsehood. Add HOOD.
Ma'am, please repeat hero one.
Either write heroic or heroism. So you need to add after hero IC or ISM. Sixth is falsehood. False is written, add HOOD. Number 7th, agent.
Agency.
Agency, right? A-G-E-N-C-Y. A-G-E-N-C-Y. Agency. Next, brave.
Ma'am, brave.
Okay, bravery.
Ma'am, brave.
Okay, so B-R-A-V-E-R-Y. B-R-A-V-E-R-Y. Add R-Y. Bravery. Young.
Youth.
Youth.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes,
youth.
youth. Y-O-U-T-H. So remove N-G, add T-H. Remove N-G and add T-H. Youth. Next, high.
Height.
Height.
Ma'am, height.
Height.
Ma'am, height.
H-E-I-G-H-T. H-E-I-G-H-T. Height. Okay, next. Vain.
Ma'am,
Vanity.
It is called as vanity. Vanity. V-A-N-I-T-Y. V-A-N-I-T-Y. Vanity. Consistent.
Ma'am, consistency.
Yes,
Ma'am,
consistency.
Ma'am,
Yes. Remove T, add CY. Just remove the last T and add CY. Consistency. Consistency.
Ma'am, it can be consisting.
No, beta, then you will make it into a verb.
Ma'am, we have to remove T and add CY.
Yes, beta. Okay,
ma'am.
grow.
Growth. Ma'am, growth.
Growth, add TH.
Ma'am, growth.
Yes, growth. Invite.
Ma'am, invitation.
Invitation.
Okay, invitation.
Ma'am, invitation.
Right, correct. So remove E, add A-T-I-O-N. Remove the E, add A-T-I-O-N. Invitation. Judge.
Judgment.
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 Yes, correct. Judgment. Just add MENT. Neighbor.
Ma'am, neighborhood. Ma'am, neighborhood.
Neighborhood. Very good. Neighborhood. 17th, member.
Membership.
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 Very good.
Ma'am,
Membership.
membership.
Yes, add SHIP. Membership. And the last is king.
Ma'am, kingship. Ma'am, kingship.
Okay, so
Ma'am,
you could
kingship.
write kingship or kingdom. You could write DOM, so it will become kingdom.
Ma'am,
or
please
you can-
repeat 17.
17th is membership. Membership, and 18th is you can write kingdom or kingship.
Ma'am, in brave, can we write ma'am bravely?
No, beta. Bravely again. He fought bravely. So, what would bravely be? Will it be a noun?
No, ma'am.
Then
No,
what
ma'am.
will it be?
Ma'am, it will be adjective.
It will be adverb. Ma'am, adverb.
Right, correct. It will be adverb because it is adding more to the meaning of a verb. He fought bravely. Fought is what? What is a verb?
Verb.
Alright, so how he fought? He fought bravely. So it will be an adverb.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Alright, so now exercise C is for your homework. What you have to do? See, you have to write 2 proper nouns for each common noun. And this we will discuss when we meet again. So, common noun is given, car, restaurant, friend, and you have to give proper noun. Like for example, car. Give me the names of 2 proper nouns.
Ma'am, BMW.
Yes, BMW.
Then Baleno.
Okay, Baleno, Audi, anything you can write.
Ma'am, Hyundai.
Right.
Sorry.
Okay. So you have to give the names of any 2 cars here. That's all. So you will do this exercise likewise, and when we meet again, we will discuss it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Alright,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
that would
Okay,
be-
ma'am.
that
Okay,
would
ma'am.
be all for today.